Kasi delikado rin ang buhay ng mga yan eh. Kung malaman mo kung saan ilan ang anak ko, ilan ang anak, ilan ang bahay niya, bang address, madali mong puntahan, madali mong, which we did not like to happen. Now, that is probably going to be the same rule that we will adopt dito sa mga cabinet secretaries. You must do not ever forget that cabinet secretaries are the alter egos of the president. They are entitled to a level of security and privacy. Wala namang problema kung legitimate yung rason, and we are satisfied that it is for a legitimate reason that the SALN is required to be accessed. Ibigay namin yan with certain reductions. That's normally what is done. And we of course ask the declarant to confer with the declarant. So, ganun lang ang policy. Wala kaming denial of access, but we must control the access.
Ibig sabihin,